Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy Google Sheet to another sheet. So let's start the first, open your Google Sheet file. Now go to the bottom and right click on the Sheet tab, or just right click on it and click on the second option, duplicate. Just click on the duplicate. This will create the exact copy of the sheet in the same file. I just click on the duplicate and you can see the copy of the sheet. If you want to create duplicate copy again right click on it and click on the duplicate, and you can see the copy of sheet 1. Okay, and if you want to copy sheet to the different Google Sheet file, then simply right click on the sheet and click on the copy to. Here the two option, new spreadsheet and existing spreadsheet. Okay, so first I select the new spreadsheet, and here in new spreadsheet data is copied. Okay, just click on the open, and here you can see in the new tab your new Google Sheet is added, new spreadsheet is open. Okay, and the second option here again, I just right click on the sheet number 1 and click on the copy to existing spreadsheet. Here you can see your Google Drive data is showing. Okay, you can select your existing spreadsheet. So here I select the first Excel file, simply double click on it, and here the copy sheet is done. Just click on the open, and you can see the data is existing sheet is open. Okay, so here the copy of sheet 1 is showing here. So that's it. This is a way you can copy Google Sheet to the another sheet. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.